What? Get his name and information.
Commercial burglar alarm with the area should be under front door for the home. Copy.
5-9, that's where I just left from. They're having an issue with their alarm system, I guess. 5-9, copy. Dispatch, 10-4.
Thank you.
That's on 97, that's right.
10-4.
Doing dispatch van, okay.
Is it J-O-N-E-S? Jones?
The caller was last laughing at
Spell it for me.
1535 Drive.
Sorry, what's your last name? Spell it.
Jones, I just said
Okay,
that.
spell it for me, please.
Don't pay attention to your man.
J-O-N-E-S? How do you
Yes.
spell? Okay, J-O-N-E-S.
Damn.
What's your date of birth? Mr.
10,
Jones?
10, 83. All I do is this for a living.
I
That's
got
it.
you. What's a good phone number for you?
850 409 5113.
What's your address?
4360 according to my ID.
4360 what?
/1.
Slash Pine?